Hi friends, this is Sai from Department of Civil Engineering. So we are discussing subject on RS and GIS. In this, we are recall the subject of image analysis. In the last class, we have discussed about image analysis introduction. In that, we had discussed about the virtual interruption. So let me explain by step again. So in the virtual interruption. So what is meant by the virtual interruption? So you see virtual interruption. Virtual interruption. So virtual interruption is defined as the process of to analyze the objects to evaluate the importance of the examining of the satellite images. So it gives the object information with the help of the satellite images. So satellite is the place the platform here. We have discussed about the platforms also. So here main is the satellite. So in virtual interruption you will be study about the object interaction, how it will be examining, everything we had been studied here. So it is widely used to locating the specified features. So virtual interaction has been a bright future here. Yet image analysis, everything has been studied here, and conditions has been used in many fields, which includes the agricultural, architect, conservation, engineering, forestry department, geology department, meteorology department, military, intelligence, natural resources, magnitude, management, oceanology, soil science, and uh, urban and regional planning development also. So let me discuss one by one with the uses of image analysis. Image analysis has a bright future here. So you people who are want to study in the subject of remote sensing and GIS information subject is a very technology subject. It is overall wide has been used here. So in the civil department you are going to study only the image analysis, and you will analyze the image, and you will again data has been collected from the in the form of image. You will study with the accuracy, and you will again send to at the work in the forms of the how you want to work at the places at different departments. So first we will see at engineering department. So in engineering department, so if you want to develop any smart cities, so how you will develop? So what are the build? So in smart cities, first of all, you look about buildings. So buildings are in a parallel way, so or in a perpendicular way, or in a rows or columns. So whereas normal cities, so there will be no proper alignment. So in engineering departments, you can take a building plan developments by taking the images, everything. So other one is drain system. So if you take a picture of the drain system also, water of the drain will be gone with the slope way. So how they will be planning. So you can study that one also. If you want to study any roads also, it will be planned very well. So connections are giving of the roads. So transport department engineering has been used here. Building departments too is using. Rural and urban areas also comes in the department of engineering only. At agricultural, so for example you guys are been appointed as a in agricultural department. You know what was the crops as going, so how land has been cultivated. You see the Telangana state has been at there will be purchased each and every crop. How there will be purchased means, so there will be having a data. So how they collected data very fastly in the with the help of only image analysis only. So they take the aerial survey and all the gather of image analysis. So how they know what is the forest, how much of the forest land is there. So in that there is no crops are growing. So again there will be studying of the wheat, how much crop has coming, how much cotton has been coming, how much different packs are coming, so different crops are coming. So they will be having at agricultural department, there will be image analysis has been used to study what were the crops are being growing here, so how we can purchase each and everything. So if they will not having any data, so there will be so they will not having any data means there will be they cannot rectify the problems. So the Telangana government has been purchased each and everything from the farmers, how with the help of image analysis only. So next one is archaeology. So in the historical buildings, what were the historical buildings are there, so what was the lifetime of there, so how they will be disturbed from the pollutions, you can study with that help also. So architect department also it will be helpful. So next one comes from the forestry department. So forestry department there will be having GPS tracking system. So the remote sensing, if there if anyone wants to occupy forest land, emergency forest department will come and say this is we are the department of forest, you don't have any rights to here to cultivate the land, or you cut the trees, or you should not do any necessary unnecessary things here. How they will be elect with the image analysis only. Always satellite images are connecting with the GPS. So GPS works under the monitoring system has been there in the forest department. So very quickly they are working. If you see Nalamala forests are there, you can take best example at Nalamala forest. Government wants to take the uranium, but they will not be encouraged because they know departments will not accept it, because if you take any uranium it will be harmful to the. So how can they know? There with the help of the image analysis only. So each and everything there will be studied. The soil conditions also has been studied, so it also comes in the soil department as well as GT department. So for that river flows also will be studied, so it will be given geotechnical information. So again we will take for military intelligence. So you see present India and China has been at border fight. So lockdown has been at present we are in a lockdown. So how can we know? So there will be taken the pictures and sent to our department, so our department will analyze each and everything. So this was the conditions have been there. So around 5000 kilometers or 3500 kilometers to 5000 kilometers high alert has been given government, because China has been crossing. So there so we should there our navy, our army, our air force, all were at a suddenly alert, high alert has been given by the government. So how it will be happen? With the help of the image analysis only. So you see some pictures of the at conditions, you see any news also, you take any photographs also. So there will be the photographs has been given with the help of the satellite. So here is the satellite is the platform. So with the help of the satellite image analysis will send to the China government and Indian government. Our Indian government will analyze very fastly and quickly. So that is the main reason advantage we are having here with the subject. Next one is management resources, natural resources of management. So natural resources of management means, so you know, so what as the crop is growing here, otherwise where the gold has been developed, so where the coal mines are there, where mining departments are there, where the quarries are there. So all will comes under the resource management only. So with the natural only. So if you take any, you have any example of the natural resources means gold is the best example, coal is the best example. You take any steel also, so in the industrials also. So where will be the natural resources, there will be an industrial growth also besides that. So next one is a soil science. So soil science comes under the geotechnical subject, or soil mechanism also comes in the engineering subject also. So next, urban and regional planning developments. So urban and regional planning developments, in simply it's a developing any places comes from it. So smart cities, you take the best example here. Next we will discuss any metrology. So how metropole cities how will be developed, you may take with the cities also it comes the metrology. So transportation also will be studied here, image analysis only. Next, virtual interruption technique significant and may require extensive training for the users. So you people who are using the image analysis latest subject, it is for you. So how do you know how do you have to main virtual interruption? What were the concept of it? Its concept is widely is being used here to analyze the object and to importance of the examiner of the satellite images. So you see here, virtual interruption technique is significant and may acquire extension training users. So if you have no training, so you don't know what is the condition of the image, you cannot guide it or you cannot monitoring it. For that you must have a brief idea of it. So with the having of idea of that only, you can have virtual interruption of it. So first one comes the detection of objects. So what is your object, how it is, you catch the point or not, or you will be take that object picture clarity or not. For that, if you take one example, so we want to know what was the happening at the border. So our object is at border what is happening. So how much people are coming of the China army, how they're moved. So with the help of the satellites we will take the pictures and that pictures will be detected by the object. So it is called detection of objects. So here objects is our main aim is object is China. So China people, our government will say that China people are China army moved 5,000 people, or China armed forces are moved at the border. So red alert has been given. So how could you know? So there will be detection of objects, that is. So next one is recognition objects. So you have detected the object. So well, you have detected the object. So it is right or not? So it is our target or not? So you must recognize of it. So recognition of object. So if the if take that example only, India and China at the border, take that example. So detection has been, you find it. So you said that armed forces are coming at border. So recognized of it. So you must have able to recognize that object. Again you must have to identification of object. Identification of object is very important at the concept of the mutual interruption. So you must have identification. So it is correct, you analysis of it. So next, classification of objects, how you will be classified that objects. Classification of objects. So next one is declaration of object. So you will be given the monitoring here at deadline or declaration, you will be given the object of it. So these are the points you have to consider. You must have detect the object. Next one, you was recognized of object. Next one, identification of object. Last you have to classification of object. At last, declaration of object. So these all 5 points, you if you have idea of it, you can easily virtual interaction of it. So you can easily analyze of the what you have been given object. You can have wide range of image analysis. So it's simply, you must have a concept of image analysis, means you must have an idea of an image also. If flood area comes, so people will be taken, the first agricultural department will take the photos, how will be damaged of the crops. If any drought comes, so why there is no rain, so because of that one soil conditions there will be studied with the help of image. So you take if any transport department, so there will be sensors has been used here. So what are the sensors are been reflected here, how you will be know how will be sensors are working with the images analysis. So next one we will discuss upon the various elements are considered at virtual interruption. Various elements. So what were the elements we have to be considered here? So one thing is tone. So tone is a fundamental one. So the fundamental element which refers a relative brightness of or color or satellite objects This is helps in identification of the targets or features involved in image. So it can be explained in two ways. So first thing is tone. So let me explain in one way. So if you cannot understand, I will explain in second way also. So tone is a just nothing but which refers relative brightness. So it will be gives the object of the brightness. So what was the, if you see TV settings, sometimes you will be brightness is high, sometimes it will be low. So when you increasing high, the picture will be dark or it will be white in color. So that is the best example. So color of an object also it will be given. So what is the color of an object? So if black and white or green or a bluish, so you know what is the conditions of it. So reflections has been very important here. Identification of target features. So what is the target you want to know? Next one is the shape. So next one is a shape. So shapes. So generally shape refers from the structure outline. So if you take irregular shapes, so you irregular shapes which means agricultural lands, you take best example. So agricultural lands comes here. Generally next to straight edge shape means forest department, you may take forest is the best example of a shape. Or you take any smart cities example means regular shapes. Yeah, at smart cities you take one photo and you see, so it will be in a design way. So it will be located in design, so the outline will be having good shape. It may be circular, it may be a rectangular, it may be a trapezoidal, any shape. Or irregular shape you take example of agricultural, that's it. So next one is size. So to evaluate the size of a target in an image, so what was the size of an object or what was the size you will be taken to assess the, so in size also to assess the absolute size in interruption. So absolute you must have an size interruption. Next one is a pattern. Pattern means you will, so for example pattern you will, you have understand, or your phone you will be having some pattern, it will be locked here, no one can understand. So that is also will be take example. Pattern is defined as a spectral arrangement of visible describable of objects. So in this object it will be given pattern means, so it will be having a step by step process. So uh, to unlock your phone you will be using here pattern. So that is the example. Your pattern identification is a spectral, so you must have it a particular pattern. So next one is a texture. So texture, the arrangement of a texture, total variation is a special area. Satellite images is referred as a texture, rough texture, smooth texture. So for rough texture you will be taken example of the forest. For smooth texture you may take example of the smart city. So smooth or a grasslands. So for a grasslands you may take a smooth example here. Next one is shadow. So shadow will be main, it will be used at the intelligent departments. So shadows with the shadow images are there. So if you large building is there, so besides that small building will be there. So large building, small building. So if you take picture from this, so you will be, the shadow will be fall here. So how they will, so the small building will not be correct. So if you did, so that they will take pictures from outside, top view, front view, side view. So that is the main target here. So shadows are the elements which are used in the interrupting of the profiles or target of heights. The target under the shadows can be easily identified compared as the surrounding objects. So when you compare any surrounding objects, target has been very important here. Next one is the last one, is very important, association. So association is the last one. So the recognition of object of the futures may be associated with the approximate of the target interest. So what is the object which has been, it will be gives the subject to analyze it. So in various of elements you all been known what is meant by tone. Next one comes shape, next one size, pattern, texture, um, texture, next one shadow, and last one is association. So these all comes in the elements of the virtual interaction. So in this class we have discussed about the what is meant by the virtual interruption. So how you will be detected the objects, how you will be recognized it, how you will be going to identification, classification of objects, declination of objects. Next topic is various of elements you will discuss here. In this you discussed about the tone, shape, size, pattern, texture, shadow and association. So next one comes up on the interruption keys. So you must have some keys with you. So how you will be having keys? So next one element. After that elements keys. So interruption keys. So what was the keys comes? So what is keys of virtual? So in this you have interruption keys, selective keys and elementary keys. So let me discuss one by one. So a set of guidelines used for aid interruption proposal of identifying the future satellites imaginary as known as interruption keys. So these are of two types. One is selective, next one eliminationary keys. So in these keys we have only two things. One is selective, next one is the elimination. So the arrangement of selective keys are done in such a way that example is selected, interrupted, relates the closely of object. So if you take any object with a close clarity and object has been considered with the help of that one is called as the closely of object. So next one is the eliminationary keys. In this, the arrangement of elimination of keys is done in such a way that the previous process has been followed by the interruption of the results of the elimination targets expected one which been interrupted trying to find out other one. So if you want the target, if you want to take the target key directly, it is selectively. So if you take any indirect with that help one, it will comes up on the eliminationary one. So next topic we will discuss here image interruption. So image interruption will be discussed in the next class. So in the next class also we will going to discuss about the difference between the virtual image interruption and digital interruption. So in this topic we are going just to have a brief idea of image analysis. Last class and this class please follow the video. I will give you notes in my WhatsApp also directly. So you follow the notes in WhatsApp. Just it is the explanation. If you want a clarity explanation, I will give you in the step by step. Thank you.